Forewarned Storm Team's Mike Morgan.
Here is the snow ice cream, and it's going in the KFOR refrigerator. I'm going to take it home to my kids. What better guinea pigs than a couple of 12-year-olds? I'm sure it's great. Right now in Oklahoma City, we're checking in with a ground blizzard continuing in progress. At least the snow has stopped. Temperature is 9 degrees outside, and look at these winds. You know, Minco continues to have a wind gust of 50 miles per hour right now. So, you know, the winds are still just as strong really as they have been all day. That's why the wind chills are still very low. -16 is the wind chill factor, 68% humidity with a rising barometer. Let's take a look at the warnings right now. And the warnings are that the winter storm warning and blizzard warning have been allowed to expire. They've been canceled. They continue for northeastern Oklahoma all the way up through Missouri, right into the good folks in Chicagoland. Well, that will impact Chicago O'Hare tonight and throughout the day tomorrow and cause a ripple effect flight-wise nationwide for tomorrow. 21 inches of snow on the northern sides of Tulsa near Owasso with 7-foot snow drifts. 12.1 in Oklahoma City. It's been a whale of a blizzard, hasn't it? The least amount of snow, generally a dusting to about 4 inches far western Oklahoma and the far southern parts of our state. What a blizzard. These are the snow totals so far. They're still adding up a little bit in northeastern Oklahoma, and temperatures are in the single digits to mid-teens outside right now. 9 in Ponca, 9 in Alva. You know, we had a wind chill of -36 in Beaver County around noon today. That was the coldest wind chill factor that has been recorded in Oklahoma in over 25 years. Remarkable. Wind chills right now are running generally about 0 to -20, -16 in the metro, -13 Ponca, -15 for a wind chill factor in Enid. And the peak wind gust today in miles per hour. These look like temperatures on a beautiful spring day, but these are the wind gusts. 61-mile-per-hour winds at Medicine Park up in the mountains north of Lawton. 58-mile-per-hour wind gusts here in the metro around Minco earlier today. Still gusting to 50 out there right now. 53 in Enid, 53 in Ponca City, 52 in Clinton, and peak winds still in the 40 to 50 mile per hour range, even over in eastern Oklahoma right now. Let's go to the storm scanner. While the wind, a very intense area of low pressure that developed very rapidly last night as that lightning and thunder was coming into Oklahoma City with that heavy sleet. That area of low pressure now is north of Memphis heading into the Ohio Valley. On the backside of that, it's like a great big sink drain, and cold north winds are now trying to funnel into that area of low pressure in a clockwise fashion, and that's why we have that driving northerly wind. You see the snow here winding down in far northern and far eastern Oklahoma to light snow. The snow has ended in Oklahoma City, but now on those northerly winds with some clearing skies, we're going to have several, really 3 bitter, very cold nights. 3 nights in a row that will be colder than anything we've seen so far this winter. And as skies clear and the winds go light by Thursday morning, that will be the coldest morning. We'll have the coldest temperatures that you have experienced, I think, in 22 years, since 1989, right here in Oklahoma City. So you want to drip those faucets, the warm and the cold. Keep the cupboards open. Make sure the livestock, you keep that water from not freezing. My wife's got a little water heater that she sticks out there for her horses and tries to keep that rascal plugged in so they don't freeze. That water solid for the pets as well, but the pets, of course, need to be inside. Birds can do pretty well, and for the most part, they need that fresh food. Let's go ahead and take a look at our planner here for the metro. Take you from 6 p.m. tonight through midnight and then 9 a.m. and noon tomorrow. These are your temperatures. The winds stay up. The ground blizzard continues. All travel remains discouraged, and a state of emergency also continues. And we don't want a bunch of folks to get out there this time of day and then get stranded after dark. That would be the worst case scenario, because look at these lows. 1 below in Oklahoma City tonight with a north wind 25 to 45 miles per hour. Wind chills will be in the -15 to -25 degree range all night long tonight, and -25 degrees out the door in the morning. These are the daytime highs tomorrow. Single digits in the north to mid-teens down south. Really a remarkable storm, snow-wise and cold-wise. 11 for a high tomorrow, -5 my forecast for Thursday morning. That'll be a record. 14 for a daytime high Thursday, but at least light winds. Linda, Thursday and Friday, that will be welcome, then above freezing, then another fresh round of snow and another Arctic blast Monday of next week. Back to you.
So this isn't leaving for a while. You got to keep that in mind. Thanks, Mike.